Hello everyone. In this particular video, I am going to solve another SLAP program using C++ language. Now let's see what this particular program says. It asks you to enter how many electricity is consumed in your household, and you have to calculate the total bill as per the given table. It also says that apart from the rate per unit on your unit consumed, you have to pay a meter rent of rupees 100. Apart from means additionally. Let's first calculate what is the total bill depending on this rate. So for this, we have to input the electricity unit. It is only one input. So electricity unit can be in fraction or it can be in integer. So I am not going to take any risk. I am going to take it in float variable. So electricity unit, you can take it in EU or U, anything you want. So this will be our input. So let's first input it. Enter electricity units consumed. And using Cin, I am taking the input. Now, there is rate per unit given. As you can see, it is all decimal fractions. So, rate, when you are going to store rate, it is also will be in float. So, I am going to take a variable r to store the rate. So, the condition is like this. If units consumed is up to 100. Now, what is the meaning of up to? Up to means 100. You need to take 100 as well as the units below it. That means when you are seeing this condition up to, you have to use less than equals to operator. So if my unit is up to 100, then my rate will be what? 4.50. What is the next condition? The next condition says units consumed between 101 and 200. I am saying between, but both these limits will be included. 101 starting point and 200 is the ending point. So my condition will be like this. 101 and unit will be going to 200. Then what is our rate? Our rate is 5.50, and this thing will go on for all the conditions. So I am doing some copy paste here. Here it is 201 and this is 300 and this condition is 6.50. I am copy pasting only because this is the same for each and every conditions. So I am not going to waste more time. And this is 7.50. As you can see, all when you are giving a range, I am using the AND operator and all the things are same. I am only storing the rate per unit value in R variable. And then there is the last condition, what is more than 400. So this is my last condition. So I am going to write else. If you want, you can write else if unit greater than 400. You can write it like this. More than 400, you can write it like this. But This is the last condition. What is more than 400? More than 400 could be anything. There is no boundary to more than 400. So if you want, you can write it like this, or you can just end it with a else. So the rate here is 8.50. So it is 8.50. So I have stored all the rate per unit value in a variable named R. Now I have to calculate the total bill. So I am scrolling down some. So for total bill, I have not declared any variable yet. So I am going to declare it first. All are in float. So why not this? So total bill, I am taking total bill for this TB. You can write B also. Variable name you can use anything, but give it a meaningful name. Now to calculate total bill, what I am going to do, this is rate per unit. What is the meaning of rate? Rate means what is the price of 1 unit. That is, it is written rate per unit. That means price for 1 unit. Now I don't know how much unit the consumer has consumed. So we have to multiply the electric units we enter with this rate, because it is price per unit. So I am going to multiply the units the user consumed with our rate. Now let's have a look this last section where it says apart from this rate, we have to also pay a meter rent of rupees 100. So I am going to just add it here. After calculating the total bill, I am just adding it here. Now the print statement part, where you will write total bill. It is also coming in rupees. So your variable is TB. Give a semicolon and your program is done. Let's thoroughly check the program once again. It is a very simple program. All you have to do, enter the electricity unit consumed. According to the electricity unit consumed, you have to store all the rate per unit in a variable. After that, after completion of the slab, you calculate the total bill as unit consumed multiplied by the rate per unit, and is the question given a meter rent extra, then you have to add plus 100. If the question does not have this statement, the very last statement, then you don't need to add this plus 100. Then after that you will print the total bill. That's all for this program.